Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about types of crockery, cutlery, and serving plates and dishes. To begin with, let's define what is crockery, also known as dinerware. Crockery is a broad term that is used to refer to various types of tableware. This would include any type of dishware that is used at the table during mealtime. Crockery can include all forms of dishes such as plates, as well as serving platters, bowls, and dishes that are used to hold condiments, such as a gravy bowl. In general, crockery tends to have a simple and somewhat utilitarian design. While there are exceptions, crockery usually features little or no decoration. The emphasis is on holding up well to repeated use. Crockery can be safely loaded into a dishwasher or washed by hand. This type of dishware usually does not require any special type of handling, as the construction is durable enough to hold up to repeated usage. In this case, we have an example of what crockery includes. We have mugs, coffee cups, teacups, teaspoons, plate, bowl, cafetiere, teapot, pitcher, a cup, tumbler, wine glass. Those are included in glassware. We have the napkin ring, the napkin, the side plate, forks, dinner plates, soup bowls, soup spoons, knives, etc. Also, we have some serving dishes. The different categories are fruit bowls, water dish, salad bowl, platter, salver. A salver is a silver tray, casseroles, vegetable trays, chafing dishes. Those are the ones we use in the buffets to keep the food hot or cold, it depends. We have serving bowls, we have dinner plates, we have luncheon plates, we have dessert plates, we have bread and butter plates, and also we have mugs, among others. In the case of cutlery, well, cutlery is a fancy word for silverware or flatware. It's the pieces we set on the table on a daily basis. Forks, knives, spoons. Most Americans associate cutlery with knives and other kitchen cutting implements, but in reality, the term cutlery can be associated with any type of utensil. In this case, we have different types of cutlery. We have dinner spoon, dinner fork, dinner knife, dessert spoon, dessert knife, dessert fork, soup spoon, teaspoon, coffee spoon, sugar spoon, ice cream spoon, soda spoon, butter knife, fish fork, cake fork, fruit fork, serving spoon, salad fork, and salad spoon. And, well, just in case you needed to know the parts of a knife, we have the blade, we have the handle, also known as a scale, we have the spine, we have the point, the tip, the belly, the cutting edge, the heel, the bolster, the tongue, the rivet, and the butt. That is all for today, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.